Hey y'all, welcome back to Curls Pop Naturally. Today I have a very special video for you all. It is going to be talking about the rice water hair growth trick, seeing about how it actually works, how you make the water, and realistic result expectations that you should have when doing this. So if this is your first time here, welcome. My main goal here is to just help you to love, grow, and embrace your curls that pop naturally. So let's go ahead and get into the video today. So y'all, I don't know if y'all have been hearing about this rice water for hair growth trend that's going around in the natural hair community. It has been going around for several years, but of course, since I just started my channel, I've actually tried this before and I have noticed that it really helps my curls pop. I wasn't really consistent with it because I believe that in order for it to work, you have to really incorporate this into your wash day for several months in order to see the growth. You're not just going to do it one time and then boom, your hair's down your back. So I'm gonna talk first about how you make the rice water. It doesn't really matter what type of rice you use. I honestly just used a minute rice packet, boiled it, and saved the water from some rice I made yesterday. You can also do the fermented method where you let the rice sit in water overnight and just drain off the rice the next day. You don't want to let the water sit for more than 24 hours because it's, you know, as it sits there, it actually loses the nutrients and it starts to smell really bad, and you don't want that in your hair. So you can either do the fermented method where you let it sit overnight, or you can just use the water from where you boiled some rice. I use white rice. You can also use jasmine rice. You can also use an organic rice if you would like. Same results either way. So if you're wondering, okay, so what are the benefits of doing this? Why are we even doing this? Who said that this would work? The main thing about the rice water is that it contains carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins that help to balance the environment in the scalp and keep your follicles healthy. So that retains length. The stronger your hair follicles, the longer your hair will grow, and it keeps it from being brittle and breaking. So those carbohydrates in the rice water is what helps to keep that balanced. So with regular use of the rice waters, this is the benefits. It helps to remove dandruff. It strengthens your strands, like I said, and it'll stimulate the hair growth, give vitality, and significantly improve the appearance. The composition of rice water is rich in vitamins, especially B and C. So you're basically giving your hair a lot of nutrients by using the rice water methods. So what I'm going to do is just show you guys how I apply it to my hair. You want to probably keep this on at least about 30 minutes to an hour. So just talking about your wash day, if you're going to incorporate this into it. I've already washed my hair. So I would then do the rice water, let it sit on my hair for about 30 minutes. Then I would still do my deep conditioning because you still want to lock in that moisture with that deep conditioning to add another layer of moisture and strengthening to your strands. And then, of course, you would let the deep conditioner sit on your hair for 30 minutes, rinse that out, and then start your styling process. So I'm just going to put this into 4 sections. I have a spray bottle, but it's just for my water that I use on my hair, so I don't want to put the rice water in there. You definitely should use a spray bottle just to make it easier for you to evenly distribute the rice water, especially if it's your first time. Just get these sectioned real quick. All right. And it can be messy, so if you have an extra towel, just lay it across. Because of course you're putting water in your hair, so All right, so I got this. I'm gonna do the front section for you all so you can see what I'm doing. You can't really see the back. So of course, we'll hit it with the Easy Detangler. Real quick. All right. And so since I'm not using, I'm just going to pour a little bit and massage it into the scalp there. Do a little bit over here. Oop. As I said, it's easier if you do it with a spray bottle. Get that on there. You can even do a little bit of this if you are being difficult like me. All right, that's plenty. I've also noticed as when I was doing my research, if you want to go ahead and put like peppermint oil, or I've even seen people put some orange peels in the rice water as well, because some people say that it doesn't have a great smell. To me, it doesn't have anything that's too unbearable. I mean, because I eat rice, so you know, I'm used to the smell. And again, I don't know if people were keeping the rice more than 24 hours and then of course it starts to smell, but I don't have an issue with it. But if you have a sensitive nose, go ahead and put a couple drops of peppermint oil or orange slices in there. All right, get it in that scalp. Got a little in my eye there. This is a close-up of what it looks like. All right, I'm gonna keep it on for 30 minutes and then I will come back and show you all what it looks like before I rinse it out. All right, so I just rinsed it out. You can't visibly tell that there's a change in what I've done by adding in the rice water. But as I said, you want to be consistent with this in order to see any type of true hair growth. So I would say at least try it on your wash day every week for at least 1 to 2 months. And then take pictures just so that you can see and don't get discouraged like it's not working. So that is all for the rice water. If you have any questions or if you've tried rice water before, leave me a comment, let me know. Again, go ahead and like and subscribe. Share this video with someone you think it would be beneficial for. And I will see y'all next time.